Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Balaji, and in this video, I am going to show you how to install Android Studio on your system, how to set up the Android emulator, and how to run your first application in Android Studio step by step. So please watch this video till the end. Before we begin, make sure Java is installed on your computer. To check the JDK is present or not, open command prompt and type Java hyphen version. If Java is already installed, it will show the version of JDK. And if Java JDK is not installed in your system, so you need to install it first. If you don't know how to install Java, just let me know in the comment section. I will make a separate video for that. Android Studio. So open Chrome and enter Android Studio in the search bar. Here it will show the official website very first. So open this first website, official website. After opening the website, you will show the download button. So simply click on the download to get the setup file. After that, here it will showing some acknowledgement and permissions, so you can read them and tick the checkbox. Then click on download. I have already downloaded the setup files, so I am cancelling the current download for now. Once the download is complete, open File Explorer, locate the setup file, and double click to start the installation process. Click next through the steps until you reach the install button. The installation will only take a few seconds to finish. After the installation complete, click to finish button to launch Android Studio. When you open the Android Studio very first time, it will take some time to open the Android Studio. After that, you need to download essential SDK components such as Android SDK and Android emulator files. So you can just accept the license and agreement and proceed to download. These files are large, so make sure you have a stable internet connection. This process will take some minutes to complete. So wait patiently. Once everything is downloaded, you can create new project. Click on a new project, then select activity here, and then click next. Then enter your project name and click on the finish button to set up project. The first time you create project, Android Studio may take few minutes to complete your project setup. Now the project is ready. To run the application, you need an Android emulator. So let's create Android emulator first. Here you can see device manager. Click on it. Now it's showing create virtual device. Click on that. So after that you will see different phone models. So you can select any one. In case I am choosing medium sized phone. Next, you need to download the SDK components for the virtual device. File size is depend upon the device. In my case, it's around 1.5 GB. So make sure your internet connection is stable. The download is complete. Click on the finish button. Now your Android emulator device is ready to start. To start Android emulator, go to Device Manager, then click to Start icon to start the emulator. It will take some time to start. Once the emulator is fully running, it's time to run the project. At the top of Android Studio, you will see Run icon. Click on it to run the project. Android Studio will now build the application and run it on emulator. For the very first time, Android Studio will take some time to build the application. Once the build is complete, the application will be run on the Android emulator. Here you can see the application is running. It's showing hello world on the screen. This is the default application that Android Studio will create. So yes, your project has run successfully, and that means Android Studio setup is correctly installed. So if you are found this video is helpful, so please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and keep supporting. Thank you.